Hello everybody, what is up? This is Foxtrot back with another video. Today we got something very special. We are having an unboxing from Comicon that I went to for the 2017 Tampa Bay Comicon. So let's get into it. We've got the episode 3 set of Mace Windu, Anakin Skywalker, and Obi-Wan, which I only got for $6. I got a Tusken Raider. We have Anakin Skywalker from episode 2. We have Captain Piet. We have Obi-Wan Kenobi from episode 1. We have General Grievous. We have Malachi, Keeper of the Rancor. Who else? I feel like I missed somebody. Nope, that's it. So anyway, let's get into it. Keep in mind, some of this stuff isn't best quality, but it's cool because I only got it for $1. Like this guy, I only got for $1, so let's get into him. This is Malachi, Keeper of the Rancor from episode 6. Basic functions, got a head robe, got a turning chest, leg movements, basic stuff, though keep in mind, I only got him for $1, and that's a really good deal for someone like this. General Grievous, one of my favorite characters. Now, I was trying to decide whether to go for the 2-armed or the 4-armed, and I got the 4-armed General Grievous because I just think he's really cool. So, yeah, that's really cool. We have Obi-Wan Kenobi. We have Obi-Wan Kenobi from episode 1. He didn't come with a lightsaber, but he was only $1, so that's a pretty good deal in my book. We have Captain Piet. Give me a second to open him up. So Captain Piet, trying to refresh, he was the captain in Star Wars episode 5, I believe, when he was assigned to tracking down the rebels, and then later he was bombed at the end of episode 6 by one of the squad leaders when it flew right into the bridge of the Star Destroyer and blew everybody up. So this is Admiral Piet. He came with a blaster and I'm not sure what this is. It's like a baton or whatever. I don't know what that is. So Admiral Piet, pretty basic Imperial commander. Came with basic leg functions. The Power of the Force series isn't that good, but it's got a lot of different action figures that are cool. Okay, next up we have the Tusken Raider. Tusken Raiders didn't play a huge part in the series. There we go. Got Tusken Raider. Pretty basic. Tusken Raider. Got his robe. Got his club. I'm not sure. I know these are called certain things, but I'm not completely sure what they are. The effects on the Tusken Raider are pretty bad, but keep in mind, Power of the Force, not the best series for standard quality figures. the best quality figure that I got was by far General Grievous, just because. Okay, fine. Just because he is General Grievous. He didn't come with lightsabers, but still pretty cool. We have Anakin Skywalker from episode 2 of Attack of the Clones. Oh, that's easy. Got this Anakin, pretty basic Anakin, came with a lot of extra materials. Anakin episode 2 came with a resource pack, a blaster, a net, and some sticks. Not really sure what I'll use those for, but still pretty cool. Basic functions. Knees. Okay, that's not good. This leg on his right leg doesn't come down, so that's a bit of a problem. But other than that, still pretty cool. Maybe a defect or whatever, but still cool. That's Anakin episode 2. And last but certainly not least, my favorite, the Revenge of the Sith. Remember old episode 3 DVD collection of Anakin Skywalker, Obi-Wan, and Mace Windu. And one reason I got this pack was I didn't have Anakin Skywalker episode 3 or Obi-Wan episode 3, and I wouldn't mind having 2 Mace Windus. Get this open. So this memorial pack was 1 out of 3. This is, they also made a pack with Count Dooku, Vader, and Palpatine, and Clone Trooper Squad. I saw some of the other packs at Comicon. It was just a lot of money. There we go. Alright, let's get our first figure is going to be Obi-Wan. And they all come with lightsabers, which is nice. So this is Obi-Wan Kenobi, pretty basic. Like I said, design not the best. The pack, you probably won't see, but is a different color than the rest of his body. I don't know why. So that's a disappointment for a little bit, but still pretty cool. With a lightsaber. So, we have Anakin Skywalker or Darth Vader. Still pretty cool with his robotic arm, and don't know why his other arm is shaped like a punching fist for no reason. Still cool. But what can you expect? It's not gonna be grade A stuff. His legs move, I think. Yeah. Legs move. Pretty cool. And then we have Mace Windu. I already have a Mace Windu, and I think the effects are better on the other one. Still pretty cool. Basic robe. Art, not the best, but like I said, you're never going to get the best stuff for low prices. So, it came with a lightsaber. Lightsaber's pretty cool. So, yeah, that was the unboxing. Overall, my favorite character that I got was definitely General Grievous. I think he had the best art and design, just with the scratches and the just paint job and just all together. His leg, yeah, anyway. Pretty cool. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this huge unboxing from the Tampa Bay 2017 Comicon. So with any further ado, I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you all in the next video. Foxtrot out.